Hi, everybody. It's Becky from Farm Girl, and I am back with day 8 of 12 days of Canva holiday tutorials. You might have noticed that I took a day or two off on the weekends, and really that's because I wasn't feeling good. No worries, no temperature, just a scratchy throat, no symptoms of that disease that's going around. So I'm going to get back. We're going to wrap up these 5 days, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. We'll have them all wrapped up before Christmas. And we may even do a couple New Year's graphics for fun. Now I can see that my computer is crooked. There, how about that? Let me share my screen and we will make a graphic that is something that you can do still on this week before Christmas to try and drum up some holiday gift certificate sales. I'm going to share my screen. I'm recording all these videos in Zoom because it's so easy to do that way. And that means you see a Zoom screen when I go to share my screen. And there is today's graphic. It's a little bit of a customized, suggestive gift certificate graphic that we will brand to your business. And you see this one even has a logo on it. And we'll teach you the Canva functionality of Flip, which I probably use once every few days. It's very handy. So let's go. I created a Facebook post for this one. You could create an Instagram post or Twitter or whatever you were going to use this in. And I am going to brand it. And I'll brand this one for my business. So I'm going to choose this navy blue color because that will be really, really pretty. Now, the next thing I did was put the snow background on it. And I did that by going to Elements and choosing to type snow border. So I didn't want snow all the way through the graphic, just around the edges. And you see that there is a rectangular snow border right here in my view. And so I can go ahead and try and make that fit on my graphic. If you notice I'm in a new recording place today, it's because truly I am. I was having some problems with some sound, probably because we are south for the winter and I am in the camper. And so I'm in a big 10 building. And so now I'm trying some new things to try to make the sound a little better for y'all. You see, I sized that and it worked great on 3 sides, but not on the 4th side because the graphic is obviously sized wrong for this Facebook post. It is not the exact rectangle of my Facebook post. So I'm going to show you how to do something fancy and quick. I'm going to take this graphic. It's already selected. You see that, right? See the little line around it. I am going to copy and paste it by doing Control C, Control V. I bet by now you're all great at copy and paste because you've been through these graphics. Now you see I have an exact extra one. I am going to flip it. So you see I have the line with the snowflakes for a side border. I just want to put it on the other border. So I use the flip and I do flip horizontal. And then I just move it right into space. And there you go. How easy was that? Okay. Now let's go get a gift certificate. So let's go to photos and we can get a gift certificate. And you could take whichever one of these that you love. I like this crooked one. That's the one I use. If you have square gift cards that you're putting in like little tiny packages, you could use that. Any of these will work. You just decide what you want. Now, I think the red ribbon will look great on this background. So I am going to choose this one. So I copy it over there. And you know me, I don't like backgrounds. So I'm going to go Effects and Background Remover. And Canva will remove the background for me. So it'll take out that white edge, and then we'll have a gift certificate right in the middle of this beautiful snowy background. And you can size it then appropriately. Now, the only other thing I did on the gift certificate graphic that I did was I actually added a logo. And I don't have a round logo, so I'm going to add one for one of my clients just so you can see what that looked like. And so I need to go down to folders and select a folder that has a graphic in it. And I'll slide down, and I'm trying not to make you seasick. I'm trying to be very, very um, steady. So this is way too big. So I just make it small, and it can be tiny. That brand doesn't have to be in your face. I am from this studio. It can be subtle, and sometimes subtle is more effective. So I put the logo right in the middle of the gift certificate, and then I turn it a little so it's on the same angle. Now I want you to go back 1 second to see this. So you have crossbars that will move the graphic up and down across, and you have rotate tools. So you're going to use the rotate tool to set that up, and you have a graphic for your Facebook post. You can resize it for your Twitter posts, and then you just have to move this snowy background around for the edges. So that's day 8. I hope to see all these pointed showing on your social media starting tomorrow, letting people know it's not too late to buy a gift certificate. The other thing you'll want to let them know in the caption is if they can actually email the gift certificate to someone, or if they have to hand deliver it. So just give them some directions, tell them any amount, remind them about virtual classes if you have those, because people are, even though we've been living with the pandemic for 9 months, people are so conditioned to think, I can't get them a gift certificate from that studio because they live too far away. So be sure to mention those kind of things in your caption, and have a great day.